Welcome to task 5 of our landscape project that we've been working on this term. So far, you've been doing lots of really lovely work and it's been great to see all of that coming in, so well done. This lesson, we are going to learn how to put all of those ideas together and create some ideas for a final piece. So our final piece is going to be based on David Hockney, and it's going to be using all of the work that we've done so far. So developing ideas, what is developing ideas? So over the last few lessons, you have completed the first task, which is to research our artist of this project, which was David Hockney, looking at different mark making techniques that are used in the style of David Hockney. Number 3 was when we started to look at some landscape photography of local landscapes, and the recent one, which was the drawing of a landscape, which you completed. So really, really good work so far. So now what we're going to do is put it all together and create an idea for a final piece, showing everything that you've been learning so far about David Hockney. Before you start a final painting, it's really important to plan out different ideas so that you know that you're going to be choosing the very best idea. So how do I start off? What you need to do first of all is find yourself some plain paper or use a sketchbook if you've been using a sketchbook. The first task is to draw out 2 boxes. So you can see there on the slide that I've drawn out 2 boxes, and I've put a title in there as well, which you can pop in. And then you're going to, for task 2, start to draw out a landscape that you've chosen that you'd like to use for your final piece. So it can be one of the landscapes that we've already looked at, or it can be from a completely different photo. It's up to you. But make sure that when you're drawing, it's the same landscape in both boxes, so that you're experimenting with the different colours. Don't add any tone yet though, because this is where all the colour comes in. So on the next slide, what's next? You're now going to get out your mark making that you did a few weeks ago, and with your 2 to 3 ideas that you've drawn out in your sketchbook or on your plain paper, you're now going to start building up some different textures and marks in the style of David Hockney and start applying them to your design ideas. Now at this stage, don't worry about going wrong. Don't worry about if you change your mind, if you put a colour in or a mark making design in and you change your mind. These 3 ideas are your first initial plans, and then what you're going to do when you've finished all 3 of them, you're then going to pick your favourite and then do that as a final piece. So once you've had a go with all those 3 designs, take a photograph of it, upload it to your exit ticket, and then we'll see how you've got on this week. Okay, well done.